The Mungersey Fidget Toys Adult Set is a comprehensive collection designed to provide sensory stimulation and stress relief through a variety of magnetic components. This set includes over 600 magnetic balls and a magnetic fidget pen, all housed in an attractive gift box, making it an appealing option for adults seeking a tactile outlet for anxiety or simply a creative pastime. The magnetic balls are made from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and a non-toxic, odorless experience. The set encourages users to explore different shapes and forms, from swords to robots and monsters, offering a versatile play experience that can engage the imagination and soothe the mind. The magnetic putty included allows for molding, stacking, and squeezing, which can help alleviate stress by providing satisfying tactile feedback. One of the key strengths of this set is its portability. The compact size and included storage bag make it easy to carry and use in various settings, whether at a desk, on a trip, or outdoors. This flexibility adds to its appeal as a tool for mental workers or anyone looking to channel nervous energy into something productive and calming. Users have praised the overall value of the set, noting that it contains a substantial amount of material for a reasonable price. The packaging is well thought out, with everything neatly organized and presented in a sturdy box that enhances the gift appeal. However, some users have reported issues such as the magnetic pen breaking after a minor drop, which suggests that while the materials are generally durable, care should be taken to avoid impacts. The magnetic strength of the balls and pen has received mixed reviews. While many find the magnets effective and fun to manipulate, some have experienced weak magnetic pull or pieces that fall apart easily. This inconsistency may affect the satisfaction of users who expect a stronger magnetic connection. Safety considerations are important with this product. The small magnetic pieces pose a risk if left within reach of children or pets, as accidental ingestion could be dangerous. Additionally, the manufacturer advises against placing the magnetic components near electronic devices to prevent interference. Prolonged use of the fidget pen may cause wrist discomfort, so users should be mindful of their usage patterns. Despite these caveats, the set has been well received by individuals with ADHD and others who benefit from sensory toys to maintain focus and reduce anxiety. The daily use reported by some users highlights its effectiveness as a calming tool. In summary, the Mungersey Fidget Toys Adults set offers a rich and engaging sensory experience with a large quantity of magnetic balls and a versatile fidget pen. It is well suited for adults and older teens looking for a creative outlet or a stress relief aid. While there are some concerns about durability and magnetic strength, the overall package delivers good value and enjoyment. The attractive packaging and portability further enhance its appeal. For those interested in exploring tactile and magnetic fidget toys, this set is a compelling option. If you already own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for viewers interested in purchasing.